Hi everyone, this is Mohammad Ashad Hussain. These are my teammates Gagandeep Kaur and Kirandeep Kaur, and today we are going to discuss about the lean production as methodologies in the module of global operations. So, the agenda is to critically review the lean production, discuss about the strategy and the implementation in the organization, and critically discuss the benefits and the implementation of and the challenges in the organization and mitigation strategies and possible issues in that organization. So the main aim and objective is to interrupt the methodologies and historical perspective, and also the implementation of lean strategy in a particular organization, and market comparison of organization and its challenges and benefits, and also secondary research through SWOT analysis, mitigation, and conclusion uh, to be ended finally. So moving to the next slide. Yeah, Kiran, can you explain?
Okay, so myself, Kiran Kaur, and today my topic is briefing lean production. So, if we talk about briefing lean, then this there is a this strategy aims to eliminate or reduce process that do not improve the manufacturing process, such as stock holding, fixing defective goods and needles, movement of personal and goods within the company. And other we have the core principles of the lean approach to operations management are. So there's next slide we have. Okay, so next slide we have about lean methodologies. In this we have overproduction, waiting time, transport, stocks, motion, and defects. So the next slides we have. Okay, the other slide is historical perspective of lean production. In this we are here to Toyota, a pioneer in lean production, recognized uh, various types of waste and that may be applied of any to any kind of cooperative activity. These are the following, like management based on time, concurrent engineering, just-in-time manufacturing like JIT, cell generation, cuisine, the art of ongoing development, enhancing quality and managing. So next slide we have. Okay, so next slide we have a lean management philosophy. In this we have the Toyota production system TPS developed by Taichi Onho in the primary source of the lean management philosophy, which gained popularity in the 1990s. The TPS is renowned for emphasizing the 7 waste to be reduced in order to increase total customer value. So in then we have other side we have evolution, and in this it's discussed about the success of Toyota and other Japanese automakers. There should be sufficient motivation to the outlook into the advantages of lean and its historical development in management. And next we have implementation of lean. Following the World War II, Toyota developed the more modern production and method known as the lean manufacturing, which was quickly adopted by most countries. So next slide we have.
So, choosing an organization, we have chosen the Caterpillar. So, Caterpillar is the world's leading manufacturer in construction and mining equipments. As you can see, it operates through multiple continents, and they focus on three main strategy segments like energy, transportation, resource, construction. So, the values of the organization is like beyond mere compliance. They foster a work culture and take pride and strive to improve both their deeds and their solution. So, so coming to the next slide, you can see the market comparison. As you can see, the profit and share and the adjusted profit share, the sales and revenue of the company and operating profit has been gradually increased year by year from 2020 to 2022. So, so in this slide, we can clearly see that they are the sorry. So in this slide, we can clearly see that they are the largest construction manufacturers in construction, so construction equipment. So they are the leaders in this sales industry. So there are two big producers in the construction equipment. the American company Caterpillar and the Japanese company Komatsu. And it is anticipated that construction machinery business would transport around 332.4 billion dollars only in the United States. So coming to the next slide. So the benefits, some of the benefits that lean can be when lean can be adapted into an organization, or like adaptation of lean principle through the organization, throughout the organization, like this implementing the lean through the work culture by extending it to the members, and working within them with an extended value, and deploying lean experts, enhancing everyone capacity of problem solving, and assigning lean specialists to mentor teams throughout the entire firm. Visual management system, like in Batam, Indonesia, they have provided a visual management system to highlight the defects and identify the root cause, and also monitor the improvements and leading to the improved safety. So rapid improvement workshops. So in Museville, Illinois, they have identified like mm, how to eliminate waste by increasing the velocity. So it has by using the rapid improvement workshop, they have achieved these benefits. Uh, so consolidating the boom and stick assembly, the Victoria facility uh, does initially doesn't have that much of floor space to occupy the equipments at the facility, and they have sorted out through the efficient improvement gradually by extending the customers expect by extending and focusing on the expectation that the customers are being to. So coming to the challenges. So building an excavator, like as I said before, it was very hard for the organization to manufacture organization to manufacture a large number of equipments and to occupy in the same place. As we can see, through they have to work through a greater operational excellence. So this was a bit of a complex process, and it was a bit challenging for the organization, and the tremendous amount of floor space. So the front of the excavator has two large structures that connect the core and the machine, the stick and the boom. So Victoria's had two sub-assemblies. Victoria's assembly plant has two sub-assembly lines. One of them were boom and another were the sticks. So they have sorted out. They have trying to sort it out by working in process, by adequately supplying the things to the main assembly, which operates on one shift. Okay, less access inventory and storage space, and in this we can see that it was clear that process efficiency needed to improve the and allow faster flow to parts and less access to the inventory and storage space, but with large buffer in place across the most of the flow space. Doing something as simple as moving parts around made achieving the right part at the right time. This kind of situation made a lean principle to be implemented as a merely impossible situation. So coming to the next slide, my friend Gagan will explain. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Gagandeep Kaur, and here I'm going to present about the SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, I'm going to discuss about strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. In strength, operations and execution model, it helps us to identify whether individual areas of the business are creating or consuming value. In values, in actions are timeless, guiding conduct with customers, partners, and one other around the world. The value in action defines what they do and how they do it. Employee engagement and individuals and as a company at work and in their communities, people share their time and talents working together for the greater good. Their worldwide team is diverse. In strong collaboration, they deliver unmatched products, services, and solutions through strong collaboration with their global dealers and suppliers. In global presence, the company has a strong global presence operating in over 190 countries, which gives it access to deliver markets and revenue streams. In weakness, under cyclic industry, Caterpillar's business is highly cyclic and it is susceptible to economic downturns in the construction and mining sectors, which can significantly affect its revenue. High cost is manufacturing heavy machinery involves high capital and operational cost, which can impact profit during economic downturns. Economic impact. The company faces increasing security and pressure to reduce the environment impact of its product, which may require significant investment in green technologies. Independence on commodities. Caterpillar's performance is closely tied to prices of commodities like oil, material, etc., which can be volatile. Under opportunities, infrastructure development increases infrastructure development in emerging marketing presents growth opportunities for Caterpillar's construction equipment. In renewable energy, the shift towards renewable energy sources create opportunities for Caterpillar in the power solution sector, such as providing equipment for wind and solar energy products. In digital transformation, leveraging digital technologies, including IoT data and data analysis, can enhance product offering and operational efficiency. In global expansion, expanding into new market and regions can help the company diversify its revenue streams. In threats, economic downturns, global economical recession can lead to reduced demand for heavy machinery and equipments, which affect Caterpillar's profitability. In competitive pressure, Caterpillar faces competition from other established players in the industry, which can erode market share of pricing power. In regulatory changes, stricter emission and environment regulations can increase compliance costs and affect the design and sale of the products. In trade barriers, tariffs and trade restrictions can impact the company's ability to access global markets and source raw material. In supply chain distribution in the supply chain, such as those which are caused by natural disasters, can disrupt production and distribution. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, I am going to discuss about present mitigation strategies for possible issues that may rise on implementation lean. In resistance to change, promote a culture of continuous improvement by involving employers in the lean process from the beginning. In employee moral and burnout, mitigation pay attention to employee well-being and workload, implement a gradual and phased approach to lean implementation, allowing employees to adapt the changes in the manageable pace. In loss of skilled workers, mitigation develop a workforce development plan that identifies key skill to provide training opportunity to the employees. In supply chain distribution, it builds strong relationships with the key suppliers, develop contingency plans for supply chain or distribution, such as alternative suppliers. In quality issues, mitigation establish robust quality control processes and ensure that they are integrated into the lean system. In over standardization, mitigation balance standardize with the need of flexibility, or in financial contracts, it prioritizes lean projects that other the most significant potential for cost saving and efficiency improvement. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, we conclude that although Caterpillar, a manufacturer of heavy machinery and equipment, is benefit great lean concept, there are certain obstacles to overcome. Adoption lean successfully can reduce waste and expenses while increasing competence quality, but it necessitates a culture change, careful planning, and careful mitigation. And for Caterpillar, lean adoption has significant advantage, but it also comes with learning outcomes, mindset, and protective risk mitigation. Through the use of lean principle and strategic problem solving, Caterpillar can improve customers' happiness, streamline operation, and maintain its competence edge in the market. In the recommendation, we investing in staff training, cultivation a culture of continuous improvement, and upholding solid relationship with suppliers and customer. Caterpillar can reap the benefits of lean implementation. In order to tackle obstacles, it is imperative to prioritize effective change in management, employee well-being, talent retention, supply chain reliance, and quality control. The organization's long-term objectives should be in line with mitigation methods, which should be proactive. The next slide. So these are the references which were very useful in our coursework. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.